Alright, hello my friends, welcome back. We're doing another unboxing and review on, this one is the Rockstar 1875 watt compact dryer. What a blast. Alright, let's see what's in here. Ultra lightweight, compact design. Okay, it's pretty light. 2 heat, speed settings, fast drying. Okay. So, first of all, come on. We remove this little sticker. Okay, that comes up here. We are done with the box. Inside we have plastic bag, instructions, and our hair dryer. Okay, so it is rather small. Let's see what kind of heat output it has here. I'm gonna plug it in. So if you're noticing something a little bit different about this unboxing than the normal settings, I'm out here in the cabin, or in our little fort that we have, and the main reason for that is I'm testing out another appliance that's supposed to kill mosquitoes. So here we are. Let's see. Let's turn this on. Okay, that's some decent heat. Nice output. Very nice. And the cool feature works as well. Okay, so this one also features a... This part comes off so you can clean it easily. If you've ever used a hairdryer for some time, this part can get clogged with just, dust and whatnot. So take that off, easy to take off. Another thing, it's nice if you, take a shower or something and you want to, dry off with the hairdryer. If you put this on the counter, you can turn it on too. Because of these little rubber things on the side, it doesn't blow all over the place. It doesn't blow into your sink or something like that. So that is also kind of nice. I picked this up for about $10. Seems like a common design. It functions well, inexpensive, works great. I'm not like a super hairdo stylist or anything, so I don't need the perfect temperature. Just need to get dry. So that's my review on the Rockstar hairdryer. Yeah, it works great, looks good, functions correctly, everything seems to be okay. So it's a hairdryer. What more can I say, my friends? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.